Now, a while ago, I did a review on this little bit holder from Simon Tools for my M12 Milwaukee impact driver. This is the screw-on version. It's really nice, I really like it, and I got some really good response on that video. Now, they also sent me a universal version. This is a magnetic bit holder for your drill or driver, and it's designed to stick to the side, so I thought I'd give this one a try as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. The company Simon Tools that I did a little review on this bit holder a while back, they sent me another bit holder here, which is a universal stick-on design. So let's open this up, and I think I'm going to put this one on my Dewalt impact driver. This is the DCF 787, and I think this one is going to work out well. It looks like it'll stick to the side. So let's open this up and I'll show you what it looks like. So there it is. It's like a contoured silicone rubber that has a magnet inside. Now it says to ensure a strong adhesive bond, thoroughly clean the drill body with alcohol and remove any of the oil residue before mounting. So let's do that. That looks good. We'll let that dry for a second. Now just gonna do a little test fit. Yep, it looks like it's gonna fit perfectly right there on the side. So let's go ahead and just gonna peel off the little 3M adhesive backing here. And then we'll just line that up and stick it on. It's a nice snug fit. That looks good. All right, let's go ahead and try it out. Put a few bits on the side. Looks like they're holding on there nice and snug. Even this longer Malco, you know, you can flip it around however you want. That looks pretty good to me. And the bits are easily accessible. You can put a regular screw bit on there, combined with another one. Really, any combination works fine. Look at that. Really nice and powerful magnet. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, easy to use. I think I'm gonna like this just as much as I like this one. Now these ones do slide in to the little end. This has a little magnetic side as well. I imagine you could also just, you know, dip this into a bunch of screws and it would pick those up as well, but seems like it's gonna work out just fine. Now I put this on the right side of this impact driver just because I do have the little belt clip on this side, and I just kind of thought that it would be nicer to have it on the outside. Now, of course, you can always flip that belt clip to the other side, and you could always put this on the left side. This also had the raised Dewalt letters, and I thought it would stick a little bit better on the nice flat surface that I put it on. You can see it looks like a really nice tight fit. The contour around the body of the drill looks like that's exactly what it's supposed to look like it was designed for that shape. Even though this is a universal design and it's designed to fit on just about any drill or driver, it really fits on this one nicely. I mean, this is almost an absolute necessity for any drill or impact driver, just to be able to carry whatever bits you need, whatever job you're working on. I like how easy it is to access the bits from this side magnet. Take a look at that. Just pull on it, it comes out, and it doesn't fall out on its own. I like it. I would definitely recommend you pick up this stick-on universal magnetic bit holder from Simon Tools. But that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this exact same bit holder from Simon Tools as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.